Voy a la playa, ya subió la marea.
So, laughter yoga is a process that was started by an Indian physician about 30 years ago as a way to reduce stress. It turned out to be a marvelous way for people to be in community. And what it is that people gather simply to be silly, to have fun. And they do that by moving spontaneously into a laughter. Originally, in the very beginning, people tried to tell jokes, but the jokes got to be raunchy or sour or something like that. And Madan Kataria recognized we don't have to have humor to laugh. We can simply laugh and enter into that silly state of being human. Without particularly without criticism in the presence of other people who are doing the same thing. It becomes fun. It becomes a way to connect. What Laughter Plus is the recognition that it doesn't completely improve life. That it's easy to simply laugh and then go home and be stuck in undesirable traits. So what I have done with Duncan Cook, who's a master trainer, is that I've combined laughter yoga with my therapy skills to bring them together in a way that we can move towards a vision of who we want to be, maximizing the positives and diminishing the negatives.